it's Samantha Ragland for Post Now, and I'm here to give you the news you need to know in close to a minute or less. So can you believe it's already May? Sunfest has come and gone, and I'm left wondering, what the heck is next, man? Well, if you're like me, then I've got 3 words for both of us. The Murakami Museum. Seriously, aside from bottomless mimosas being served on Sundays all around town, I can't think of a local something that complements a South Florida spring like May at the Murakami. So here's a quick rundown. Number 1, Ikebana flower arrangements. Not only can you get schooled in a traditional Japanese art, but you'll get to take your arrangements home with you each week. And how spring is that? Number 2, Sumiya ink painting. It literally means charcoal drawing. And in this session, you won't just learn painting styles, you'll even get to learn to grind your own ink. And finally, number 3, and a personal favorite, Sushi and Stroll. The first of which is happening this Friday, May 8th. So slip on the comfy Nikes, grab the cropped jeans and your boothang as you walk through the gardens with taiko drums, like the ones playing now, as your date night soundtrack. I hope to see all of y'all there. For more cool and important stuff happening in your town, follow at PB Post Now.